everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick video for you today. It is a small Erin Condren haul. I had some points that I wanted to use, so I bought a few things. And I'm just going to slide this open. As always, it is beautifully packaged in a reusable box, although my mail carriers usually destroy the box. Some nice blue tissue paper and a really cool sticker. I will run the pricing down at the bottom because I don't have it right in front of me. So the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is the metal pen holder. I really like this thing because you can actually clip it into any notebook any notebook, any binder, any folio. It is a clip pen holder and it's metal. So it's reusable. That's the coolest part about it. This part is pretty stretchy, so you would be able to put basically any size pen in it. Here's a regular dual tip marker by Erin Condren. That one fits just fine. And do I have something thicker? Oh, here's one of the Erin Condren mechanical pencils, which is much thicker. And it also slides on there just fine. So, love this thing. I just dropped it. I really wish it came in different colors, like silver and rose gold. But I only saw a gold one on there. The little detail here is like a pale peach or nude color, if you can see that. And so that is item number 1. Very exciting. I'm kind of on the fence about it, but I might be getting the binder system this year instead of the regular life planner, so we'll see. The next thing is I got these binder clips. Again, I'm probably getting the binder system this year. So this is a set of 6 binder clips. One of them says ta-da, one says to do, and the other one says today, and the others are just the asterisk. So there that is. And next up are the interchangeable DIY pen kit. This has 4 highlighters, 6 medium tip, 3 fine tip, and 2 barrels. So I'm not going to open this up just yet right now, but you can see, maybe you can see the colors that are there. You have seen these before. That's not it. You have seen this before if you've seen my video about, if you've seen my video for the spring surprise box. We got them in the spring surprise box, so I basically was just purchasing more colors to go inside. So they are interchangeable, customizable, so you could put one of each, on the ends and make your own marker that you want to use, which I think is super cool. Alright, next up, I have been looking at these and wanting them for a long time. They were not in the Erin Condren store on the website for a while, and I just found them again, the jumbo paper clips. I completely love the idea of this, but whether or not they will be functional remains to be seen. Oh, there's 4 in here, so that's kind of awesome. We'll take them out and take a look. I really like this as a way to, the same way that I use with my binder clips, to take my planner and clip all the pages that have dates that have passed, and I would clip it into this instead of using a binder clip, which I feel sometimes the binder clips can be too bulky depending on what kind of planner I'm using, that sort of thing. But yeah, I'm excited about these. I think they're going to work exactly how I want them to, and I am really excited that there are 4 in here. So that's fun. I thought there was only 2. Okay. And the last normal item or regular item that I have is this really cool cube ruler thing. I have no idea if I really need this for anything, but I thought it looked so cool. And there was a clear one, I think, but this one is the rainbow one. It's a cube, so that when you are measuring things, like, you can see through the ruler. So I just think that's so cool. And it's super cute, and it's not that big. I mean, it's still 12 inches, but, you know, it's not like super long or thick or something like that. It has only inches on this, I will tell you. It does not have centimeters. So if you are a metric user, sorry, bub. No centimeters on this thing. This here is an American ruler. Anyway, so the next couple of items I have in here are actually some of the masks that Erin Condren sells. They look really cool. I got 3 of them. So I will take each one out here and show it to you, and then I'll try at least one of them on and tell you how they are. I really love the fact that, I like the material a lot. This seems like it's going to be a little easier on my face than some of the other cloth masks I've used. My face is too sensitive to wear masks all the time, so I've been on the hunt for a mask that isn't going to irritate the crap out of my skin. This one feels pretty good. The thingy here says 88% polyester, 12% spandex, machine washable, dryer okay on low. And of course, it explains that it's not a surgical mask. The one thing I'm worried about is that I have really tiny ears and a weird face, so this might be way too big for me, but what I did with my other masks was I just kind of made little loops, tied them off a little bit, and it made it a little tighter and snug on my face. So here's the first pattern that I got, this floral pattern. And, you know, I don't mind this. I probably like this, not that you can hear me. I probably like this better than the Levi's masks that I got, but I will tell you, these were much more expensive than those. So here's the next one. I really like this one. This one's so pretty. I'm not going to try it on. I'm going to show it to you. And then I'm not really sure what appealed to... Oh, yeah, because this one is actually like one of the Erin Condren... Actually, I think all of these are Erin Condren designs. This one is the... I don't know, that last like geometric shape sign. Oh, there's a little metal bit in here. Oh, I love that. So that's the one thing that I've really hated about cloth masks, is that they did not have the metal part where you can mold it to your nose. This one does. So that's great. Awesome. Oh, that makes me really happy. These are great. I didn't even notice that. So, yeah, I think these are great. I think they're going to be great. I think when you buy... I can't remember, but I'm almost certain Erin Condren is doing the thing where when you buy a mask, they donate a mask or something like that. Or maybe when you buy one, they donate two. I'll look it up. I'll put it on the screen. But these masks are not... They're not as cheap as... I got 3 for $15 on Amazon, but... These seem like they're way better made. They're going to last me longer. The material is better, easier, like softer, easier to breathe through a little bit, but not like so thin. I will say that my Levi's masks from Amazon have a little pocket where you could slide in a filter or additional material. These do not. So these don't have the little pocket space, but you could easily add material into the folds here if you wanted to, because the sizing is so good on my face anyway. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Check out the rest of my channel. This video will be in a playlist called Unboxing Joy. Everything that I've purchased, things that I buy from Erin Condren don't exactly go along with my Cone Marie Kondo ideals of useful and or sparks joy. So I guess like this guy just sort of sparks joy. I just think it's pretty, and I like the idea of having it kind of displayed on my desk here, which has room for that. The pen kit, maybe I don't need it too much, but it also kind of really sparks joy, and it will get used. These are just completely useful, and they spark joy. Same with these, completely useful, and they spark joy. And actually, really, all of this stuff kind of probably falls into the useful and sparks joy category, because everything's just so pretty. So the masks, again, same thing. They're very useful to me right now, and they spark joy because they're really pretty, and they actually are fantastic material. I'm very impressed. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully you're out there staying safe, and look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Bye!